Comparing fractions lead to a lot of confusion, but many a times close observation does the work. Consider these two fractions. To tell which is higher, take numerator of both the fractions and multiply it with opponent's denominator. On one side we have 6 into 15, 90, other 8 into 11, 88. Clearly 90 is greater than 88, therefore 6 by 11 is greater than 8 by 15. This method is the simplest way to compare fractions with small numbers. But what if you are asked to compare these two? Here multiplying would be a daunting task. If you look carefully, on both sides, numerator is 1 less than denominator. On one side we have 1 minus 1 by 458, other 1 minus 1 by 601. Now understand, 548 is smaller than 601. If denominator is smaller, the fraction would be larger. That means 1 by 548 will be larger than 1 by 601. And when you are subtracting larger number from the same quantity, it will result in a smaller value. Therefore, 547 by 548 is less than 600 upon 601. On the same lines, try this comparison. Here numerator is larger than denominator by the same amount. 87 is 81 plus 6. 125 is 119 plus 6. One side 1 by 6 by 81 and other 1 plus 6 by 119. Numerator on both sides are same, but denominator 81 is smaller than 119. That means 6 by 11 is larger, and when a larger number is added to the same quantity, it will result in larger value. That gives 87 by 81 larger than 125 by 119. These were the cases where you can find some pattern, but sometimes fraction can be total random numbers, like here. To solve this, notice the difference in both the numerators, 94 minus 83, 11, and difference in both the denominator, 123 minus 101, 22. In the next step, calculate 11 is what percent of 83 and 22 is what percent of 101. You don't have to calculate the exact value, just go by the rough estimate. I use the 10% method. 10% of 83 is 8.3. So 11 is approximately 10 to 15% of 83. Similarly, 10% of 101 is 10.1 and 22 is greater than double of this number, implying greater than 20%. And whenever denominator increases more in percentage than numerator, the resulting fraction 94 by 123 will become smaller. This video ends here, and I'm sure next time you'll never be scared of fraction comparison.